मैं वेनविला आपका स्वागत करती हूँ इन टुडेज एपिसोड ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी रिस्क की बात, अ प्रोजेक्ट बाय जीएफएस राइटर्स एंड खबर समय। दिस शो इज अ गाइड टू योर प्रॉपर्टी सर्च जर्नी। इस शो पे हम बात करते हैं अबाउट द करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ द रियल एस्टेट मार्केट और साथ ही में दिखाते हैं आपको एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन और उस लोकेशन में एक खास प्रॉपर्टी। और हर एपिसोड की तरह आज के एपिसोड पे भी हम आपको जानकारी देंगे अबाउट द हॉट प्रॉपर्टीज अवेलेबल इन द रीजन। So without further ado, let's begin with today's episode of the property real estate की बात। Moving ahead with the property news, हर हफ्ते की तरह देबाशीष भट्टाचार्य, who is the senior general manager of JFS Rentals, is here with us to give us the current affairs for the real estate market. So please.
Hi viewers, I am sure all of you are doing very well. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अच्छी खबर के साथ। बड़ी अच्छी खबर आ रही है अंद्रेला आदित्य पुरी, जो कि HDFC बैंक के MD है। उन्होंने एक फ्लैट लिया है 50 करोड़ का इन मालवर हिल। तो जायज है, जो किसी बैंक के MD फ्लैट खरीद रहा है तो रियल एस्टेट का दैट इज बराबर अभी भाग्य खुल रहा है। एक बात में ये कह सकता हूँ। तो रियल एस्टेट सेल्स इन सिलीगुड़ी एज वेल is seeing a very constant upward swing. There is a very good sign for Siligurians also. Home loan rates are definitely consolidating to the tune of 6.9% interest rate, which is also a very good sign. And a lot of projects in Siliguri are in the verge of getting launched, but the delays are mostly due to the delay in approvals of building plan. So builders are now demanding a single window, that is clearance system, so that the projects can get faster in launching time. A couple of good plotting projects have also been launched in the recent week, one in Rangapani and other in Bagdogra location. So that is also very good in terms of plot, जिन्होंने plot अभी ढूंढ रहे हैं. So and the price, if you look at, it is very reasonable. LIG projects है 2200 से 2500 के अंदर, MIG project जो चल रहा है वहाँ पे 2300 से 3000 के अंदर, and higher income group का जो projects है वो 3000 से 6000 से इनकम in between है. So depending on the location, I mean this price that is definitely differ. So without having any that is delay, anyone can go and rush and have it their plots also. So this is all about these episodes, that is news sections.
Thank you so much for the current affairs of the real estate industry. Moving ahead, आज का हमारा लोकेशन है गोसाईपुर। एक ऐसा लोकेशन जो right towards airport पड़ता है और एक ऐसा लोकेशन which is growing in one of the fastest pace, I can say. लोकेशन के बारे में हम बात करेंगे और जानेंगे देबाशीष सर से। देबाशीष सर, please tell our viewers about the location and the pros and cons of Gosaipur.
Right. As you have said, Anila, it is one of the most upcoming that is area. Gosaipur is in between Bagdogra and Siliguri. Right. It is on Asian Highway. अगर देखा जाए तो NGP स्टेशन 14 किलोमीटर only, and airport is as well as 5 kilometers just apart from this location. आप कह सकते हैं इसको सिलीगुड़ी का एंट्री पॉइंट फ्रॉम बागडोगरा एयरपोर्ट, located near the North Bengal University campus, so well connected across the Siliguri and across Bagdogra. Schools, bank, market and hospitals are there in this locality. So जो कुछ भी चाहिए एक आदमी को प्लॉट लेने के लिए या रेसिडेंशियल फ्लैट लेने के लिए, सब कुछ यहाँ पे है. This is well connected from all parts of Siliguri, just 5 kilometers apart from Uttarayan on highway sides. It's a link between Siliguri and Kolkata, Bihar and other parts. So connected to the other parts of North Bengal also, like Islampur, etc. It falls under the Darjeeling district. That is another big advantage. So papers के लिए कोई हिचकिचाहट नहीं रहेगा. The most upcoming location, Gosaipur, is in Matigara and western part of Siliguri. Fast developing and major residential and commercial hub with the township also. यहाँ पे देखा जा रहा है. It's connect easily to Matigara, Medical College, Bagdogra, Shibundir, the main important part of that is suburb Siliguri also. So देखा जाए तो ये one of the best that is location है Siliguri का. So anyone can have a dream on this to purchase a plot or to having a flat on this location. This is all about locations.
और सर, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं about the rating for the location गोसाईपुर, आप इस जगह को क्या रेटिंग देंगे?
रेटिंग तो एक ही है, खाली अभी not many projects are available now. Only 1 or 2, 3 projects are upcoming, but in recent future there are a lot of plans to coming up with a big project also. So this is the only cons now. As such, we are rating this property as a 4-star rated property. Otherwise, it will be a 5-star in recent future.
Thank you so much, sir. तो आपने सुना लोकेशन के बारे में और कुसाईपुर के बारे में। आज का हमारा प्रॉपर्टी एक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं बल्कि एक टाउनशिप है, एक टाउनशिप विच इज कमिंग इन दी नेक्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स। टाउनशिप की बात करें तो सिलीगुड़ी की लीडिंग टाउनशिप में नाम आता है उत्तरायण की, एंड आवर टुडेज property is by the same group, Lakshmi Group. The project that we are talking about is Uttara. So without further ado, let's take a visit to Uttara. उत्तरायण, अ प्रोजेक्ट बाय लक्ष्मी ग्रुप, एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जिसके बारे में सिलीगुड़ी का हर एक इंसान जानता है। अ प्रोजेक्ट दैट चेंज द डायमेंशन ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी, एंड द सेम ग्रुप, लक्ष्मी ग्रुप, ब्रिंग्स अनदर एंड आई कैन से इवन बेटर टाउनशिप इन सिलीगुड़ी, उत्तरा। हम पहुंच गए हैं उत्तरा और हम उत्तरा के बारे में जानेंगे, देखेंगे, एंड विल टेक अ राइड of Uttara. It's a beautiful ambience, a beautiful location. So let us know more about our today's property, Uttara. We have with us Colonel Dipankar Dhar, the Chief Operating Officer of the project Uttara. हम उनसे बात करेंगे about this particular project और साथ ही में हम आपको दिखाएंगे the structuring, the layout, model of this particular project. So sir, please tell our viewers about the project Uttara.
Yeah, Uttara is the project by the Lakshmi Group, which had built Uttarayan Township. You all know Uttarayan Township is a landmark project which has changed the life skyline of Siliguri. In fact, Uttarayan has given a tremendous lifestyle, and the location where open, scenic, large open space and the best of facilities available in the country has been provided there. Now Uttarayan is about 400 acres project, whereas now we are coming up after Uttarayan, after completing Uttarayan, now we are with Uttara. This project, the work started in 2014, is a composite residential project on the similar line as Uttarayan, wherein we have residential plots, group housing flats, we will have commercial complex, we will have healthcare facilities, we have school educational facilities. We also have a club for the residents. Now presently we are almost completing the residential plots. We had total of 518 residential plots, out of which we have already sold 465 plots, left with about 50 plus plots for the people to take. As far as the flats are concerned, we are coming up with affordable residential flats, 2 BHK flats, almost 100 flats, which is nearing completion and is also open to sale. As far as the plots are concerned, plots price as of today starts from 13 lakhs, goes up to about 15.5 lakhs per kattha, which I suppose is very reasonable when you compare the price in and around Uttara and in and around Siliguri with the facilities, type of facilities we are going to provide at this location. We expect to complete the flats sometime in June. Before then we hand over the flats. As far as the plots are concerned, even that we are left with just about 50 plus plots. We expect that also will get over by around June. So maybe people who are interested must rush for plots at least, because they will be over, and once they are over, matlab they are over.
So I would request you to show our viewers the model and the structuring if it's possible.
Yeah, please come, please. This is the model, the layout of the township. As you see, the Asian Highway is running south of the township. Our project is just adjacent to Asian Highway. We have 2 entries, one is Western Gate, one is Eastern Gate. Western Gate is here, Eastern Gate is there. coming from Bagdogra airport side, and that's coming from Siliguri side. Now our project is just about 6 kilometers from the airport and about 12 kilometers from New Jalpaiguri station, and also just about 7-8 kilometers from Siliguri town. And Uttarayan Township, another prominent landmark for us, built by us, is about 4 kilometers from here. Now as you see, as I've already said, that we have residential plots which are shown with small
So you can
markers.
see these are the residential plots, among which around 63
Five.
flats are already sold, and approximately 53 flats plot of land are still available. So this project is gaining importance and momentum just in a flip of a second. So if you want to grab the plots in Uttara, you need to rush, as Sir said.
Yeah, now you have, as you see, the high rises are marked, the plots which are earmarked for high rises, the one plot here, second plot here, and third plot here. And as I had mentioned that we have about 100 flats are under construction, that's in this location. There are 2 BHK affordable flats, cost starting from about 24 lakhs, may go up to about 30 lakhs. Now other things, what you see plots, now generally our plots are available in this zone. We had launched with this, these are almost over, couple of plots are here in central zone, and balanced plots which are here in this east zone. Baki, in next to the road we have commercial complex, earmarked for commercial development. Then you have club in this location, club is getting ready. We expect by March we should be able to provide minimum facilities to the members. And this is the area earmarked for healthcare facilities. And this is the place where we have a school, earmarked for school, some educational facilities.
So we can say the facilities that are being provided in Uttaraya are very similar and identical with the facilities and amenities that you can see in Uttarayan, but I can say even better. The drawbacks or the flaws that even you found in Uttarayan won't be available here, because it's the second project by the group which is similar to Uttarayan but even better.
A little word about our infrastructure development. Our infrastructure, basically when I talk about water line, your electrical cable line, your storm water line, your sewerage line, everything is underground. Nothing will be visible overground except the street light poles. And to say, all these underground work we have already completed. So when the customers now who are making house, will be seeing physically on ground, will be showing it to you, the bungalows which have come up, the one residence already moved in, and the other one will be moving in shortly. It is almost nearing completion. So we expect that the residents also will start coming in here, and the facilities will be ready for them. It's already ready. They can live in this place.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for talking to us, and thank you for the information that you have provided us about Uttara.
Okay, thank you.
Sunandita and Suparna. They are the marketing executives for the project Uttarayan and now for Uttara. हम उनसे बात करेंगे और जानेंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में इन डिटेल और आपको बताएंगे हर वो इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपको चाहिए अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ, Nabanita, please tell me what is the basic concept. If I ask you, what is the basic idea for the project Uttara?
Uttara is a project of 128 acres. This is a project of Lakshmi Group. Yes, this is a project of Lakshmi Group, the makers of Uttarayan, and this is a new, second project of Lakshmi Group, which is known as Uttara now. Okay. So we have the same kind of concept which we have in Uttarayan. We have 5 plots, all residential plots starting from 3 kattha to 8 kattha, and we have flats also, residential flats. Now we have come up with 100 flats, all 2 BHK with different size and designs.
So all the flats that are available here are 2 BHK.
2 BHK right now. We will come up with 3 BHK and 4 BHK. That is a later on project, but it is there in our thing. And we have a club. Along with the club, we have a hospital space. We have a educational school space. And we have a shopping mall space also.
So you are providing both residential and commercial?
And commercial both. We have a space, and because it is a township, the same kind of Uttarayan township, like you can see now it is visible. So the same kind of project will come here, and we have already sold out of 590. We have already sold 560 plots. Okay. So very few plots are available. So those who are interested, they can contact us. We are always available 10 to 6 in our site office, and flats are also ready. Like we'll take you to our sample flat. It's all 2 BHK with parking and other amenities, like we have a community hall, gymnasium, everything is and the township concept means you have everything in a township.
Absolutely.
Yes. So now Lakshmi is a brand, as you know, after Uttarayan everybody knows Lakshmi Group. So we'll take you to the flat. You can have a look. We'll take you. The club is also in a full swing. Club is under construction. So I think that will be the restaurant. The other things will be operational by June itself. Okay. And the other gates, like both the gates are ready. Cluster roads are ready. And anybody who is interested for 2 BHK flats, they can come and visit our sample flat, which we have already made it. And other flats, we are within 3-4 months everything will be ready, because the amenities and the construction, everything is done. Only the basic like finishing work is going on.
Okay, so like we can say it's very identical to Uttarayan. I can say
yes,
that.
it is an identical project, and you know, when you do a second project, it is always a better one. When you make a second house, it is always a better one, because you have already done a first one, so you will have come up with the new ideas and all.
And the experience from the previous one is also there.
Yes, experience of the previous one is also there, and whatever, like you want to make it a better way.
Yes, absolutely. And one interesting thing that I would like to tell our viewers is that जब भी यहाँ पे कोई भी clients आते हैं, the group here, they give a ride to the clients to show the entire property, right?
Absolutely. We take them around. We take them around in our marketing card. We explain them about the project, and as I will take you, few bungalows are also ready. One person has already shifted in this Durga Puja. They have done the opening in Shashti, and that this year Durga Puja, and another bungalow is in a verge of completion, and you can see so many boundary walls has been made. People are slowly starting their bungalows, and this is a beautiful place. Lot of green, lot of open space, lot of fresh air and oxygen you can have here. I think this is another project. Those who have missed the chance in Uttarayan, they can always avail this project, and this is connecting to the Asian Highway. Yes. So it is just near 10 minutes from the airport, so which is a very good thing. And the title of the project is also very good. It's absolutely a freehold property, so people can make their dream houses here. And we are just hoping this will be in a pinnacle in coming years.
Absolutely. So as she said, this is a beautiful property. So without wasting any more time talking about it, let's just take a ride and see this beautiful property, and let us show you all, because I'm sure you are waiting to see this property, Uttara. points we can see, right?
Exactly.
So please tell us about this.
See, our whole Uttara has been divided into 3 zones.
Okay.
This is the western zone, then the central, and the last one is the eastern zone.
Okay.
So western zone, these all are 8 kattha plots, as you can see.
So these are the plots that is available, and let me remind you once again, there is only around 53 plots that is available.
Yes, only 53 plots are available. These western zone plots have already been exhausted. No plots are left over here. Only in eastern zone plots you will be getting plots. Plots are available. One bungalow has already been constructed in that 6 kattha plot.
मैं आपको बता दूं, एक बंगलो ऑलरेडी बन के तैयार है, एंड मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज अनदर प्लॉट,
दिस बाउंड्री वॉल,
जहाँ पे बाउंड्री वॉल बन चुका है, एंड आई थिंक कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम कुछ दिन में शुरू भी हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
सो दिस इज द plot area for the project Uttara.
Exactly. This is the starting point, and maximum plot size is the 8 kattha plots. Then we will be going to the 6 kattha, 4 kattha, and the smallest one is the 3 kattha plots.
So I think we would like to see and show our viewers.
Okay, please
the same.
come. Okay.
जैसा कि हम बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ साथ प्लॉट्स है, और मेरे पीछे मैं आप सभी को दिखाना चाहूँगी बहुत ही खूबसूरत बंगलो बन के तैयार है. हम बंगलो के बारे में बात करेंगे. प्लीज़ टेल अस अबाउट द बंगलोज जो उत्तरा में बनने वाले या फिर बन रहे हैं.
एक्चुअली आप ये जो बंगलो देख रहे हैं, ये 4 कट्ठे के ऊपर बना हुआ है
जी.
कस्टमर यहाँ पे शिफ्ट भी हो गया है, और अक्टूबर में दुर्गा पूजा भी हुआ है. But actually over here we have 518 plots, and most of the plots, the residential plots. This is you can see that bungalow, it is in 4 kattha land.
Okay.
So just come, I will show you the from in front. We have certain rules and regulation that makes different from others,
projects.
from other
Okay.
project, and we have some rules and regulation. That means that we have certain heights regulation and some full floor area ratio that makes our project different. This you can see that this is one G+2.
Okay.
G+2 bungalow, and we have given permission with that G+2 only. We have that permission over here. From ground level 11 meter height you can make, nothing more than, not more than that.
तो यहाँ पे कुछ गाइडलाइंस है जो आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा टू हैव योर बंगलो हियर. और एक बार फिर से मैं आपको याद दिला दूँ, अगर बंगलो की खोज है आपको, प्लीज़ रश, बिकॉज यहाँ पे ओनली अराउंड 53 plots are available at the moment. So if you're looking for a place to have your own bungalow, you gotta rush to have one in Uttara.
We have certain rules and regulation that makes different from others,
projects.
from other
Okay.
project, and we have some rules and regulation. That means that we have certain heights regulation and some full floor area ratio that makes our project different. This you can see that this is one G+2.
Okay.
G+2 bungalow, and we have given permission with that G+2 only. We have that permission over here. From ground level 11 meter height you can make, nothing more than, not more than that.
तो यहाँ पे कुछ गाइडलाइंस है जो आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा टू हैव योर बंगलो हियर. और एक बार फिर से मैं आपको याद दिला दूँ, अगर बंगलो की खोज है आपको, please rush because यहाँ पे only around 53 plots are available at the moment. So if you're looking for a place to have your own bungalow, you gotta rush to have one in Uttara. तो हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं एक स्पेसिमेन फ्लैट एट उत्तरा। तो आइए अंदर चलते हैं। This is a fully furnished flat that you can see, and you'll get the idea how the layout of a flat at Uttara will look like.
This is a living cum dining. This is a 937 square feet. We have made a sample flat for the customers for their ready reference, and I will show you. Come. This is a living area. We have a balcony here. I will take you to the balcony.
The balcony goes up to a beautiful view, I can say. आप देख सकते हैं सामने ग्रीनरी और खुला एक ambience है, which gives this a whole new ambience, a fresh ambience to this whole place.
And you can have a mountain view also. You can have a mountain view from your balcony. Come, I will take you to the other master bedrooms and the other bedrooms. So this is a dining space area. The customer can utilize as a dining space here.
Okay.
And we have a kitchen. This is our kitchen space. This is a kitchen. You can see how big and how good like kitchen style. And we have put certain things like aquaguard, chimney. That we have placed certain furnitures that customer can have a ready reference how they can place their furnitures in their kitchen.
हम हर एक एपिसोड में बात करते हैं किचन एरिया की, बिकॉज किचन इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट प्लेस फॉर एवरीबडी, मैन विमेन whoever loves to cook is an important place for them. और जब किचन इतना खूबसूरत हो तो the entire flat is obviously makes and enhance the whole outlook of the entire property.
Absolutely. And it is a very proper kitchen. क्योंकि जो भी लेडीज रहते हैं उन लोगों को हमेशा मैंने देखा है उन लोगों को किचन स्पेस थोड़ा बड़ा चाहिए, एंड सो वी हैव मेड दैट एप्ट किचन स्पेस जहाँ पे आप अपना रेफ्रिजरेटर, माइक्रोवेव, चिमनी, गैस हॉब्स एंड एक्वागार्ड, तो सारी चीज रख के भी यू हैव लॉट ऑफ स्पेस टू ब्रीथ.
एंड ऑल्सो ऐसा नहीं है कि चारों तरफ से वॉल है, किचन में भी
इट इज अ वेरी ओपन किचन,
विंडो रखा गया है which gives an open space to the kitchen.
Absolutely, absolutely. तो इन सारी चीजों को मद्देनजर रखते हुए we have made the kitchen idea. This is a master bedroom, which you can see the beautiful window which is facing the mountains. You can see the hills. It is G+7. The same thing you can see, and we have a attached bathroom with this. We have a dry area as well as the wet area here. We have made the divider where you can have your bath space and the dry area.
So this was one of the bedrooms. हमने पहले मास्टर बेडरूम देखा और अब हम देखने वाले हैं one of the guest rooms, or you can say the kids room, whatever, as you like to furnish your own flat.
This is a guest room cum children room, whatever you want to use according to your convenience. So we have made the furnitures according, it's all double bed, but वो लगाने के बाद भी you can see there is a sufficient space available, and we have put the wardrobes, we have put the dressing table, everything, side table. After that also you have lot of space to breathe, and सबसे बड़ी बात है इससे जो bedroom का जो नज़ारा है, you can see lot of greens, you know, when you open your window, bedroom window, you will feel very nice, means like you कि बहुत सारे green आपको देखने को मिलेंगे which you can't find in a city.
Absolutely. I would like to add a point here, like सिर्फ इसी रूम से नहीं, इस फ्लैट को इस तरह से बनाया गया कि हर एक रूम से एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा है which gives a fresh ambience to the whole flat। और साथ ही में रूम को इस तरह से बनाया गया है कि even after furnishing it's not congested at all, like you can see here।
Yes, and from the master bedroom you can take a hill facing flat also, which is the hill is very visible, the fresh air comes from the hill and it's so beautiful, you know, people from different places like Calcutta, they go mad कि इतना सुंदर नज़ारा है। The same we had done in Uttarayan also in the new project, our next project Uttara से भी आपको वही hill, पूरा आपको hill view मिलेंगे and G+7 में सेम व्यू आपको मिलेंगे एंड आई विल शो यू द कॉमन बाथरूम व्हिच इज देयर।
वहाँ जाने से पहले मैं हमारे दर्शकों के लिए एक बार आपसे जानना चाहूँगी व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस एंटायर फ्लैट।
दिस इज 937 स्क्वायर फीट एंड द फ्लैट्स हम लोग के पास 850 से 950 स्क्वायर फीट के वी हैव गॉट डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड डिजाइंस और 2 BHK। नाउ वी हैव मेड 100 फ्लैट्स व्हिच इज रेडी फॉर पोजीशन, मे बी विद इन 2-3 months विल गिव यू द पोजीशन एंड ये सारे फ्लैट्स 24 लाख से लेके 28 लाख तक है और पार्किंग इसके साथ आपको पार्किंग मिलेंगे। अदर फैसिलिटीज लाइक वी हैव कम्युनिटी हॉल है, जिम्नेजियम है, पार्किंग स्पेस है, सिक्योरिटी रूम्स है, जो भी एक फ्लैट में जो अम्यूनिटीज एंड फिर 2 लिफ्ट है, 2 एलिवेटर्स है, 2 स्टेयरकेस, 1 इमरजेंसी स्टेयरकेस एंड 1 नॉर्मल एलिवेटर, 2 एलिवेटर्स 2 स्टेयरकेस। तो आपको सारी वो फैसिलिटीज फ्लैट में मिल रहे हैं जो एक टाउनशिप में हम लोग देते हैं।
और टाउनशिप की बात की जाए तो सिलीगुड़ी के लोगों को पता ही है क्योंकि उत्तरायण which is one of the landmark projects and changed the entire dimension of Siliguri is by this group Lakshmi Group। तो amenities and facilities जो भी है it is very similar to that has been provided in Uttarayan।
Yes, this is a common bathroom with for the guest. It is attached with the living cum dining and just opposite to the guest room or children room. So we have the same kind of room. We have a dry area, we have a wet area, all WC, western commodes and all. So this is another bathroom and I have shown you the balcony also. So we basically what we have is it's a living cum dining attached with the balcony, one master bedroom, another room. Master bedroom is with the attached bathroom and another room is with the common bathroom and we have a beautiful kitchen, a big kitchen and an open kitchen which is quite a European design we have followed here. So any customers who is interested, flat sales are going on, please come and have a look. We'll show you the sample flat, we'll show you the project. You can buy a land also, you can buy a flat also. There are very limited plots available. Please come and make your dream house here.
Absolutely, because this entire location looks absolutely like a dream. So if you want to have your dream flat, this is the perfect location। क्लब हाउस ऑफ उत्तरा। हम क्लब हाउस के बारे में जानेंगे और यहाँ पे क्लब हाउस में क्या क्या एमिनिटीज प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे। So please tell us about the clubhouse for Uttara.
This is a club, the similar kind of club which we have in Uttarayan. The same kind of club is coming up in Uttara, and this club has this is a multi-facilitated club which has a swimming pool, bar, restaurant, children's play area, gymnasium, the basketball court, badminton court, amphitheater, community center, the halls for marriage ceremonies and receptions, and any celebration, and we will have our own cafeteria. So everything what a multi-facility club have, we have all those club. The same architect who has made Montana Vista, the same architect is making this club, and this, you can say, this will come up very beautiful. You can see the layouts of the club. It is so beautiful. I think we are hoping that we can start the restaurant and everything by June itself.
Yes, let me tell you, यहाँ की जो memberships है, it's almost full. I think
almost full, because we have restricted the club membership as of now till the means one plot, one residence who is purchasing the plot, they have to have a club membership. So we have sold out around 560 club memberships as of now. So we don't have to look for a customers who will take the club or not. It is with every residence have to have a club membership with the plot owners, and this will be managed by Summit Group. We are managing the club, and of course Lakshmi Group is there to take care of all the other things like the common areas and all. So I think this will come up very soon. So the residents who have the property owners who have taken the plot and who have already made the houses, and the flat owners who will shift maybe by June this year, next year June, so they can avail the facilities of the club.
Let me tell you all one thing कि यहाँ का जो developing growth है, it's really fast. I mean the projects that are coming up inside Uttara, the clubhouse, everything is growing really fast. So if you want to grab your property in Uttara, you need to speed up. So this was all about the clubhouse at Uttara. हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और let us take a ride to the office again. हमारे साथ फिलहाल मौजूद है मिस्टर ऑलोक घोष, द इंजीनियरिंग हेड फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट उत्तरा, एंड ऑल्सो ही इज़ द इंजीनियर फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट उत्तरायण, जिसके बारे में आप सभी जानते ही हैं. तो हम उनके साथ बात करेंगे अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट उत्तरा. सर, आप हमें बताइए अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट उत्तरा. हमने सुना है अबाउट द एमिनिटीज़, अबाउट द डिटेल्स के बारे में तो हम जानते ही हैं, हमने ऑलरेडी बातचीत की है, मगर जो इंजीनियरिंग एस्पेक्ट से अगर हम बात करें तो उसके बारे में आप हमारे दर्शकों को कुछ बताइए.
एक्चुअली आप तो उत्तरायण के बारे में सुना होगा
जी,
दैट उत्तरायण इज़ द टाउनशिप
जी,
जो कि एवरीथिंग इज़ अंडरग्राउंड.
जी,
यू सी नथिंग इज़ विजिबल फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड. Whether it is a fuel line or it is a water line or it is rainwater disposal, everything is there is no drain, nothing is there. So we have made the similar things here also.
Okay.
So what has been followed there? So we have followed something better here. Uttarayan, we have not, dedicated line was not there for the rainwater disposal, stormwater disposal, which has been provided here.
Okay.
A separate line has been provided, and this entire township is connected with that network.
Okay.
And other things like your underground sewerage, underground electrification, everything is underground, has already been laid in position. In addition, you can say that I think our marketing people might have told you that most of the plot position,
yes,
sale position,
we have
they
already
might have
talked
told
about
you.
it. Yes.
So I think engineering only, that is the thing which is not normally seen in North Bengal. The first Uttarayan was the first project, and this is the second project of similar nature. And a small, as I told you, that dedicated line for the rainwater disposal was not there in Uttarayan, but here we have provided a dedicated line for the stormwater disposal.
So हमने शुरू से बात की अबाउट उत्तरा, और हम कह सकते हैं कि उत्तरा इज जस्ट अ इम्प्रूव्ड
वर्जन ऑफ उत्तरायण.
थैंक यू सो मच हमसे बात करने के लिए. थैंक यू
वेरी मच.
It was a lovely day at Archery's location Uttara, a project by Lakshmi Group. The same group who developed Uttarayan. So you got enough of information I believe about Uttara. So आपको अगर इस लोकेशन में प्लॉट या प्रॉपर्टी लेना है, please rush because this is going out of its capacity. So if you want your dream flat and dream house at Archery's location Uttara, please contact us for the same.
नमस्कार, मैं संजय शर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं खबर समय के प्रॉपर्टी द रियल एस्टेट की बात के विशेष एपिसोड में। और मैं आपको यह बताना चाहूँगा कि आज हमारे साथ दो बड़े हस्ती बैठे हुए हैं जो कि रियल एस्टेट और प्लस टी गार्डन के अगर फील्ड में बात करें तो वो पायनियर हैं। मेरे दाएं ओर बैठे हुए हैं दीपंकर चटर्जी जो कि चेयरमैन हैं लक्ष्मी ग्रुप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज के, एंड मेरे बाएं ओर बैठे हुए हैं रुद्रा चटर्जी जो कि एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन है लक्ष्मी ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज के। नमस्कार। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। नमस्कार।
तो हम आज बात करना चाहेंगे इनसे क्योंकि आपको विदित हो कि उत्तरायण जो टाउनशिप है उसका निर्माण भी लक्ष्मी ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज द्वारा किया गया था। और अभी फिलहाल एक और प्रोजेक्ट है उत्तरा बोलकर जो कि गोसाईपुर बागडोगरा के निकट बन रहा है और यह भी एक बड़ी टाउनशिप के रूप में आ रहा है सिलीगुड़ी में। तो हम सर्वप्रथम जानना चाहेंगे दीपंकर चटर्जी से, सर थोड़े कंपनी के बारे में अगर आप हमको थोड़ा विस्तार से बताएं तो।
Our company is Bangla. Our company is a Lakshmi Tea Company is a very old company, 100 years old company. We are now, this is 108th year Lakshmi Tea Company, and now it's a group of company. We specialize in tea. We own tea gardens in Assam mostly, and one Fulbari tea estate which is near Bagdogra. Our total production of tea is more than 20 million kg, which is one of the biggest in the world. Besides that, we have tea gardens in Rwanda, in Africa. They produce the best quality tea in the world. This is our tea industry, and I used to come to Siliguri frequently for my visit to the tea garden in Siliguri. When I saw that Siliguri town is overcrowded and it was not built as per any plan. It was just population, there was a huge population increase and it was most unplanned city. So I was always, it was in my mind that it is in Bengal, why Siliguri cannot have a modern city, town,